Hey everyone, welcome back to Even Tram Place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of event planning and discussing how setting clear objectives can make your event a roaring success. Whether you're organizing a corporate conference, a charity fundraiser, or a community celebration, this video is for you. Before starting the video, we request that if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. So let's start. First things first, why are objectives so crucial when planning an event? Let's break it down. Objectives needed for guides decision making. It's like having a GPS for your event. You know exactly where you're headed. Measures success. You can't hit a target you can't see. Objectives help you determine if your event was a hit. Align stakeholders. Everyone involved knows their role and what they aim to achieve. Keeps you focused. You stay on track and make decisions that lead to success. Improves ROI. Critical for corporate events, helping you justify your budget. How to set clear objectives. Now that we understand why objectives are vital, let's learn how to set them effectively. The first step is identifying your event's purpose. Is it education, entertainment, product awareness, or fundraising? Your purpose shapes your objectives. Make objectives smart. To ensure your objectives hit the mark, make them smart. Specific. Clearly define what you want to achieve. Measurable. Use quantifiable metrics like attendance or revenue. Achievable. Ensure they're realistic with available resources. Relevant. Align with your event's purpose and goals. Time-bound. Set a deadline for achieving your objectives. Prioritize objectives. Not all objectives are equal. Prioritize based on your event's purpose and available resources. Focus on the most critical goals. Consult stakeholders. Engage with your stakeholders early on. What do they want from the event? Their input helps shape your objectives. Communicate objectives. Once your objectives are clear, communicate them with your team. Everyone should know what they're working toward. Create an action plan. Develop a detailed action plan. Assign tasks, set deadlines, and plan for contingencies. Monitor progress. Keep a close eye on the event's progress. Ensure your action plan aligns with your objectives. Adjust if needed. There you have it, the key to event success lies in setting clear objectives. Stay smart, communicate effectively, and watch your event thrive. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow event planners, and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable tips on event management. Thanks for joining us on Even Tram Place. Until next time, happy event planning, and may your objectives be crystal clear.